Welcome to mathematics class. Circles, part 1. Long answer type questions. Find the equation of the circle which passes through the points 2, -3, -4, 5 and having the center on 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. 2, -3, -4, 5 బిందువుల గుండా పోతూ 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0 పైన కేంద్రము ఉన్నటువంటి వృత్త సమీకరణాన్ని కనుక్కోవాలి. Let the required equation of the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Let it be equation 1. ఇది కావాల్సిన వృత్త సమీకరణాన్ని జనరల్ ఈక్వేషన్ గా అనుకోవాలి. ఈ జనరల్ ఈక్వేషన్ 2 -3 -4 5 బిందువుల గుండా వెళ్తుంది కాబట్టి ఆ బిందువులు ఈ సమీకరణాన్ని తృప్తిపరచాలి. As the circle passing through these points, the points should satisfy the equation. So substituting these points, the first point in equation 1, x square, x value 2, x square, y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Simplifying 4 minus 3 square 9, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 minus 6 is equal to 0. 4 plus 3 13, 4g minus 6f plus c is equal to 0. 4g minus 6f plus c is equal to minus 13. So let us call it as equation 2. This is second equation. Now substituting the second point -4 5 in the given general equation, x square plus y square 2gx 2fy plus c is equal to 0. -4 square 16, y square 25, 2 into -4 8, 2 into 5 10. So 16 plus 25 41 minus 8g 10f. So this is 8g plus 10f plus c is equal to 41 becomes minus 41. Let us call it as equation 3. Now equation 2 minus 3, let us subtract third equation from second, that is 4g minus 6f plus c is equal to minus 13. Third one, minus 8g plus 10f plus C is equal to minus 41. Subtracting, sign changes. C will get cancelled. 8G plus 4G, 12G, minus 10, minus 6, minus 16, 41, minus 13, 28, 28. So dividing with 4, 3 times, 3G, 4F, 4, 7 times. Now let us call it as equation 4. So now it is given that the center lies on the equation. So given that center minus G minus F, center of the general equation is minus G minus F. This lies on the line 4x plus 3y plus 1. So this is given in the question problem. The given circle passing through 2 points and center lies on this. So this point should satisfy this line. So substituting minus G minus F in the line in place of X and Y, substituting these values, 4 into X, 4 into minus G, 3 into Y plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is minus 4G minus 3F is equal to minus 1. Let us call it as equation 5. Now 4 and 5, these two equations are in GF. We can solving the 4 and 5 will get GF values. So let us equate the G terms, multiplying fourth equation by 4, 4 into fourth equation, 4 into 3, 12G, 4 into 4, 16, 4 into 7, 28. And multiplying the fifth equation by 3, 3 into 4, minus 12, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into minus 1, minus 3. So adding these two, 12G minus 12G will get cancelled. Minus 16 minus 9, minus 25F, 28 minus 3 is 25. So F value 25 by minus 25, that is minus 1. F value is minus 1. Now substituting F value in equation 4, substituting F is equal to minus 1 in fourth equation, that is fourth equation, 3G minus 4F minus 4F is equal to 7. 3G minus into minus plus. So that is 3g is equal to 7 minus 4, that is 3. So g value 3 by 3, that is 1. Now substituting g f values in equation 2, substituting g value, f value in second equation. That second equation is minus 8g plus 10f plus c is equal to minus 41, minus 8 minus 10 plus c is equal to minus 41, minus 18 plus c is equal to minus 41. C is equal to minus 41 plus 18, that is minus 23. Now we have all the values GFC. Substituting these GFC values in the first equation, substituting GFC values in the general equation, we get the required equation of the circle: x square y square 2gx. Now g value is 1, 2gx, 2f, f value minus 1, plus c value is 23. So therefore, the required equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2x minus 2y minus 23. Very simple. Using the first, let the required equation of the circle as the general equation of circle: x square plus y square plus 2jx plus 2fy plus c. And substituting the three conditions are given. The one is the circle passing through 2 minus 3. So using this point, we get one condition, that is the equation 2. And using the second point as second condition, we get another equation, equation 3. And the third condition, the center of the circle lies on 4x plus 3y plus 1. Using this condition, the center is minus g minus f. So using this condition, we get another equation 5. So this 2, 3, 4, 5. Using 2 and 3, we eliminate c, and then we get an equation in GF. So by using third condition, we get another equation in GF. Solving both for GF, we get G and F values. And substituting these GF values in the second equation, or you can substitute it in third equation also, we get C value. So after getting GFC values, substituting them in the required equation, first equation, that gives us the required equation of the circle. Now, let us solve another question. Find the equation of the circle passing through the points 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. ఈ మూడు బిందువుల గుండా వెళ్ళే వృత్త సమీకరణాన్ని కనుక్కోవాలి. మూడు బిందువుల గుండా వెళ్ళే వృత్త సమీకరణాన్ని, very important. Let the required equation of the circle as general equation: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Then this equation passing through the 3 points. So these 3 points should satisfy the equation. So now substituting First point we get one equation. So second point another equation, third point another. We get three equations in GFC. So eliminating C from the equations, we get two equations in GF, and solving them we get GF values, and resubstituting the GF values in a second, third, fourth equation, any one of them, we get C. So after getting GFC values, substituting them in this first equation, we get the required equation of the circle. Now substituting the first point in equation 1, that is x value 3, y value 4, x square 3 square, y square 2gx plus 2fy c is equal to 0. 9, 16, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 4, 8, 9 plus 16, 25, 6g, 8f, bringing 25 right side, 6g, 8f is minus 25. Let us call it as equation 2. Now, substituting second point 3, 2 in equation 1, x square, y square, 2gx, 2fy c is equal to 0. So 9 plus 4, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 2, 4, 9 plus 4, 13, so bringing 13 right side, 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 13. Let us call it as third equation. 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 13. And substituting the third point, substituting third point 1, 4 in the general equation, x square, y square, 2gx, 2fy. So x square is 1, y square is 4. So 1 square is 1, 4 square is 16, 2 into 1, 2g, plus 2 into 4, 8f. So this is 1 square, this is 4 square. 1 plus 16, 17, 2g, 8f plus c is equal to 0. 2g plus 8f plus c is equal to minus 17. Let us call it as fourth equation. Now using this 2, 3, 4 equations, now first let us eliminate C and get to two equations in GF. For that we do 2 minus 3, second equation minus third equation. To eliminate C from these three equations, we subtract one from another, second minus third. Second equation 6g plus 8f plus c is equal to minus 25. And third equation 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 13. So sign change, minus becomes plus. 6g also get cancelled, c also get cancelled. 8 minus 4, 4f minus 25, 13 minus 12. So from this f value is minus 12 by 4, that is minus 3. So f value is minus 3. F value minus 3. Now substituting 3 minus 4, third equation minus fourth equation, 6g 4f plus c is equal to minus 13, third equation, and 2g plus 8f plus c is equal to minus 17. Subtracting, c will get cancelled. 6g minus 2g, 4g plus 4g minus 4f. 17 minus 13 is 4. So dividing with 4, we get g minus f is equal to 1. So let us call it as equation 5. Let us call it as fifth equation. Now substituting f value in this, substitute f is equal to minus 3 in fifth equation above. G minus 3 is equal to 1. That is g plus 3 is equal to 1. So g value is 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. G value is minus 2. So we have f value and g value. Now substituting these values in equation 4, substituting g minus 2, f minus 3 in equation 5, that is g minus equation 4 in fourth equation, that is 2g plus 8f plus c is equal to minus 17. You can substitute in any one of them, second, third, fourth, you will get c value. Whichever is very simple, you can substitute in that. You need not substitute in 4, you can substitute in 2, in 3 and 4 also. Minus 4, minus 24, (24) 4 minus 28. So C is equal to plus 28, that is 11. C value is 11. Substituting GFC values, substituting G value minus 2, F value minus 3, C value 11, in first equation, we get the required equation of the circle as x square y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. So this is x square, 2 into minus 2, minus 4x, 2 into 3, minus 6y plus 11 is the required equation of the circle. So very important, passing through the given 3 points. Using the 3 points, we get 3 equations in GFC, that is 2, 3, 4. Eliminating C from 2, 3, 4 by subtracting 2 minus 3 and 3 minus 4, we get 2 equations in GF. C ni ఈ మూడిటి నుంచి తొలగించడానికి 2 minus 3, 3 minus 4, or you can do any subtraction or substitution so that C is eliminated. ఈ C ని తొలగించడానికి మనం 2 minus 3 చేస్తే C పోతుంది, మరొక సమీకరణం అవుతుంది. అండ్ 3 minus 4 చేస్తే ఇంకొక సమీకరణం వస్తుంది. ఈ విధంగా మనకు C ఎలిమినేట్ అయిన తర్వాత ఈ GFలలో ఉన్న ఈక్వేషన్స్ సాల్వ్ చేస్తే మనకు GF వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి. ఈ GF వాల్యూస్ ను 2, 3, 4 ఏదో ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకు C వాల్యూ వస్తుంది. So after getting GFC values, you can resubstitute them in the first equation, that is general. We get the required equation of the circle. Now let us practice one more problem. Find the equation of circle passing through 0, 0 and making intercepts 4, 3 on x-axis and y-axis respectively. మూల బిందువు గుండా పోతూ XY అక్షాల పైన 4, 3 అంతరఖండాలను చేసే వృత్త సమీకరణాన్ని కనుక్కోవాలి. Let the given circle as general equation x square y square 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 as usual, and by visualizing the given condition you can see this figure. The circle is passing through 0, 0 and making 4 on x-axis. Making 4, x-intercept is 4 on x-axis and y-intercept is 3. That is the distance between OB is 3 and distance between OA is 4. So by this point A is 4, 0 as the distance is 4. The point is 4, 0 on x-axis. And this OB distance is 3. The y-intercept 3, that is OB, y-intercept is OB. So the B point becomes 0, 3. X-intercept 4 కాబట్టి OA అనేది x-intercept అవుతుంది. So A అనే పాయింట్ 4, 0. Y-intercept 3 అని ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి ఈ OB అనేది 3 అవుతుంది డిస్టెన్స్. సో ఎనీ పాయింట్ ఆన్ y-axis is 0, 3. ఇప్పుడు మనకు వృత్తం పైన 3 పాయింట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇంతకుముందు ప్రాబ్లం చేసినట్టు as previous problem, it is you can find the equation of circle passing through these 3 points as we did in the previous one. Only the thing, by given condition you can able to write the another 2 points. 1 point is already given in the problem, but the other 2 points it is given that the intercepts on xy as 4, 3. So by using the intercepts we can write the points 4, 0, 0, 3. So after getting these 3 points, it is as simple as the previous problem. So any circle passing through the given 3 points, Substituting the points, we get GF equations, and solving them, we get GFC values, and resubstituting them in the given equation, we get the required circle. Now let us substitute the first point 0, 0 in the given circle. We get x value, y value as 0. Directly we get c value as 0. ఈక్వేషన్ లో ప్రతిక్షేపిస్తే మనకు c value 0 వస్తుంది. You should remember this, very important. Whenever the circle is passing through 0, 0, the c value becomes 0. And reverse also, vice versa. If c value is 0 in any circle, then that circle pass through the origin. వృత్త సమీకరణంలో స్థిర పదము గనుక 0గా ఉన్నట్టయితే ఆ వృత్తము మూల బిందువు గుండా వెళ్తుంది, లేదా మూల బిందువు గుండా వెళ్ళే ఏ వృత్తానికైనా c value 0 అవుతుంది. You can remember it. So directly you can write c value 0, or substituting the 0, 0 in the circle, you get c value as 0. Only we have to find g and f values. One value directly we are getting by substituting 0, 0. Now substitute the another point that is 4, 0. In equation 1, x square 4 square y square 2gx 2fy, and c value also 0. So this will get cancelled. 4 square is 16. 2 into 4, 8g. So 8g is equal to minus 16. So g is equal to minus 16 by 8. G value minus 2. So already g value, C only we need f value. So for that, substituting the other point 0, 3 in equation 1, x square y square 2gx 2fy, and c value also 0. So 3 square is 9. 2 into 3, 6f is equal to 0. 6f is equal to minus 9. F is equal to minus 9 by 6. That is minus 3 by 2. So this is the f value. F value is minus 3 by 2. Now, so g value is minus 2. F value minus 3 by 2. C value 0. So substituting these values in first equation, we get the required equation of the circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. 2 will get cancelled. Therefore, the required equation of the circle, x square y square minus 4x minus 3y is equal to 0. This is the same similar problem is there in the exercise you can practice the other problem. Very simple. First equation of the circle passing through 0, 0 and making 4, 3 intercepts. So if the intercepts are given, you can write the points. X-intercept 4, 0, Y-intercept 0, 3. Any point on the x-axis, the y-coordinate is 0. Any point on the y-axis, the x-coordinate is 0. That's why we can write A point as 4, 0, B point as 0, 3. Now, another question. If 2, 0, 0, 1, 4, 5 and 0, C are concyclic, then find C. ఈ బిందువులు చక్రీయాలు అయితే సి విలువ కనుక్కోండి. చక్రీయాలు అంటే ఒకే వృత్తం పైన ఉండే బిందువులను చక్రీయాలు అంటారు. The points are on the same circle, then the points are called concyclic. So concyclic means the points, 4 points lie on the same circle. ఒకే వృత్తం పైన 4 బిందువులు ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. ముందు let us find the circle passing through the first 3 points. ముందు ఈ 3 బిందువుల గుండా వెళ్ళే వృత్త సమీకరణం ఇందాక we did it in the previous problem. Taking the general equation and substituting all these 3 points, we'll get the equations and solving them. We get GFC values and resubstituting them, we get the required equation of the circle passing through these 3 points. After getting the circle, then that circle, the 4th point also lies on the circle. The points should satisfy the equation. So substituting the 4th point, we get the C value. So there is already one C in the 4th point, 0, C. To avoid confusion, now let us say take this C as C1 in general equation. బిందువులో C ఉంది కాబట్టి దీన్ని C గా తీసుకుంటలేం. ఇది C గా లేకపోతే K అని కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు. Now substituting 2, 0 in equation 1, x square y square 2gx 2fy plus c1 is equal to 0. So now 2 square is 4, 2 into 2 4, and c1 is equal to 0. So 4g plus c1 is equal to minus 4. Let us call it equation 2. Now substituting the second point 0, 1 in equation 1, x square y square 2gx 2fy c1 is equal to 0. 1 square is 1, 2f plus c1 is equal to 0. 2f plus c1 is equal to minus 1. So let us call this as equation 3. Now substituting the 4th point, the 3rd point 4, 5 in equation 4 and 5. X square is 4 square, y square is 5 square, 2gx 2fy c1, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 2 into 4 8, 2 into 5 10, plus c1 is equal to 0. 16 plus 25 41, 8g 10f. So 8g plus 10f plus c1 is equal to minus 41. Call it as equation 4. Now let us eliminate c1 from them. For that, ఈ c1 తొలగించడానికి 2 minus 3, second equation minus third equation. The second equation is 4g plus c1 is equal to minus 4. And third equation 2f plus c1 is equal to minus 1. Subtracting c1 will get cancelled. So 4g minus 2f minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Let us call it as equation 5. C eliminate అయిపోయింది, gf లలో ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ వచ్చింది. Now subtracting 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, so 8g plus 10f plus c1 is equal to minus 41. So 2f plus c1 is equal to minus 1. Subtracting, so this becomes minus minus plus, c will get cancelled. So 8g, 10 minus 2, 8f, minus 41 plus 1 is minus 40. Dividing with 8, this becomes g plus f is equal to minus 5. Let us call it equation 6. Now, by using 5 and 6, we can solve them for GF. So, multiplying the fifth equation, multiplying the sixth equation by 2, F will get cancelled. Solving 5 and 6. So, write fifth equation as it is. 4g minus 2f, 4g minus 2f is equal to minus 3. This is fifth equation. 4g minus 2f minus 3. And sixth equation, multiplying with 2. Sixth no 2 to multiply చేస్తే 2g plus 2f, 2 into 5, 10 అవుతుంది. And adding minus 2f plus 2f will get cancelled. 4g, 2g, 6g minus 13 అవుతుంది. G value minus 13 by 6. So substituting G value in sixth equation, minus 13 by 6 plus f is equal to minus 5. So f value minus 5 minus 13 by 6 plus 13 by 6 అవుతుంది. So getting LCM 6 into 5 minus 30 plus 13. So minus 30 plus 13 is minus 17 by 6. Minus 17 by 6. F value. Now we have G value, F value, and substituting them in third equation. Substituting G is equal to minus 13 by 6. F is equal to in equation 3. So third equation is 2G plus C is equal to minus 1. Only G is not required, only F value. G value minus 13 by 6. F value minus 17 by 6. Only substituting F value, only F is there, or you can substitute G value in second equation also. We get C1, or F value in third equation. దేంట్లోనా substitute చేయొచ్చు. C value వస్తుంది. So 2, 3 times. C1 is equal to minus 1. Minus 17 by 3 becomes plus 17 by 3. So LCM minus 3 plus 17 is 14 by 3. So C1 is 14 by 3. Now substituting G value minus 13 by 6. F value 17 by 6. C1 14 by 3. In first equation, we get the circle passing through the first 3 points. X square, Y square, 2 GX, 2 FY plus C. So 2 1 time, 3 times. So this is the equation of the circle passing through the first 3 points. First 3 points. Now the fourth point lies on the circle. 4 points are concyclic. Therefore, the fourth point 0, C also lies on the above circle. So substituting the point in the circle, x in place of x 0, in place of y c. So x square 0 square, y square c square, x value 0, y value c, so this becomes 0. So c square minus 17c by 3 plus 14 by 3. So multiplying with 3 or taking 3 as LCM, this becomes 3 into c square. So 3 will get cancelled. This is a quadratic equation, Varga Samikaranam. Factorizing it. So minus 3c minus 14c minus 17, splitting it into minus 3c minus 4c and 3c square plus 14. So taking 3c common, c minus 1 minus 14 common, c minus 1. Again taking c minus 1 common, 3c minus 14 are the factors. Now c minus 1 0 or 3c minus 14 0, c value is 1 or c value minus 14 becomes 14 and by 3. So therefore the point, the fourth point 0 comma c, if you substitute c value 1 and c value as 14 by 3, so this point is already there. This point is already there, the second point. So this is the fourth point. Therefore, the c value is 14 by 3. So 0 comma 1 is already one of the given points. So the other point is 2 0 0 1 4 5. So other point should be 0 comma 14 by 3. Therefore the c value is 14 by 3. It is also very similar. First find the concyclic means points lying on the same circle. So first find the circle passing through the first 3 points. After getting the circle, substitute the fourth point. That is the concept of concyclic. చక్రీయము అంటే అన్ని బిందువులు ఒకే వృత్తం పైన ఉంటాయి. మొదటి 3 బిందువుల గుండా వెళ్ళే వృత్త సమీకరణం కనుక్కున్న తర్వాత 4వ బిందువును ఆ వృత్త సమీకరణంలో ప్రతిక్షేపిస్తే సంతృప్తి పరిచినట్టయితే అవి చక్రీయ బిందువులు అవుతాయి. సో practice the similar problems from the exercise. Lot of problems are there. These are all long answer type questions. You can practice similar problems from the textbook. So thank you for watching.